direct in off the last owner, an absolutely outstanding example and a very, very, very rare model this is. It's a BMW 3 Series, a 320i X-Drive M Sport Touring. The car is absolutely fabulous. Registered in September 2013 on a 63 plate with just over £2,500 worth of factory fitted options. The car is beautiful all the way around. One of the best colours out there, Estoril Blue Metallic. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. 180 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Of course, X-Drive is four-wheel drive. So great handling, superb performance, a hot hatch for the family man. Electric tailgate. Got rear parking sensors, nice low loading area, all lovely and clean. Net partition. Rear luggage cover. It's got the optional centre drop down as well for the rear seats. Additional storage there as well. All the toolkit there complete. Nice and clean, not been abused anyway. Look at that colour, absolutely fabulous. You've also got the just the glass part of the tailgate just opening, nice and handy. Just drop the shopping in there, quick and easy. Of course, you've got the privacy glass as well. Absolutely gorgeous down the sides, no dents, scratches, scuffs or little dings anywhere on the bodywork. It's got the gloss black wheels, again all in great condition, no major damage to any of these. We've just fitted matching tyres to the front. Front parking sensors, headlight power washers, Xenon headlights as well, all across the front. No nasty chips, no major bumps or scrapes anywhere at all. The car is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. 2013 car. We think it is absolutely exceptional for its age and mileage. All the trims in great condition, no damage to those. Full Black Dakota leather, plenty of leg room in there, plenty of space in there. Again, all the upholstery in great condition, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. Again, the driver's trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. All the trims in great condition. Nice aluminium trim as well on the door handles. Front sport seats. Can adjust the support just under your legs. Just get them perfect. And those seats do hug you in, the sport seats. Again, all in great condition. Front centre armrest. Keyless start. Mileage of just 45,502. That's what it's done, 45,502. The last owner since 2015. We have lots of receipts, service history, complete book pack, all complete. DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connection, nice clear layout, easy to control. Got various settings. Visual display for the parking sensors, stereo CD, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, adjustable drive modes, shows you on the dashboard and on the big display very clearly which mode you're in. Just get that car handling absolutely perfectly. Cruise control, speed limiter. Stereo controls. Flick to the manual. Auto dimming mirror. What a fabulous car. It really is a gorgeous car. Really well cherished. Very rare example. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. And we do the videos to give you a full description, accurate description, to give you full transparency so that you have the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. If you fancy 2 o'clock in the morning, simply click and reserve and come and collect from our showrooms. We're based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire, or we can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Please ask us for further details about having this delivered to your doorstep. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. Number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.